Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I'm welcome to my YouTube channel. Into my YouTube channel, I'm showing the way you can read aloud by using Microsoft Word. Just take along. So you guys, right now I am on my PC, and then on Word I have a story, a little short story. You can see a story, the story of the lion and the mouse. Just short story, and then I'll be showing you guys the way to read aloud on Microsoft Word. So that what I'll do that I'll come right here. Right now I am on my own page, so I'll come to my review page. And now you can still read aloud. I'll click on that. As soon as I click on that, I can simply pause it first. And now I want it to start from the beginning. So now my cursor right here, I'll put it at the beginning from the A. So now start from the A, and I'll click play.
A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose.
By clicking on pause. I can pause it by clicking right here on pause. I click that to pause it. So now, guys, you can see that I can read aloud this Microsoft Word. And now, what I can do is that I can come right here to the settings. And now, on the settings, I can see the reading speed is at medium, but now I can make that faster a little bit. And now after I've made that faster, I'll just click away from it on the blank space, and I'll go to the beginning. But let's say that I want it to start from here. A timid little mouse. I'll put my cursor on A, and I'll click on play right here.
A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away.
So guys, you can see that it's very fast. And now let's say I want it to be really slow. I'll bring it here to be slow a little bit, and unless I want it to start from here, I'll click on play.
Spare me, begged the poor mouse. Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you.
So guys, I can see that it's really slow, but I can make that to be medium, slow, between slow and fast. And I can see that I can put this to start from here and see that it will be normal.
Some days later, while stalking.
So guys, I can see that it's normal, and then what I can do is that I can go back here to A. I start to start from A, and I'll go to the settings right here. And under the settings, you can see something like voice selection. So now, right now, the voice I'm using is Microsoft David. But now, if I click on this down arrow right here, you can see what I voice like a Microsoft Zaira. I think this voice is like a female voice. So I'll click on that, and now I'll click on the A. It starts from the A, and I'll click on play.
A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose.
So you guys think you can see Zaira's voice, and now a voice is slowly called Mark. Mark's voice is it's not that thick as David's voice, but a little lighter, but it's a man's voice. So I'll click on Mark. I can see Mark's voice. I mean, I can hear out Mark's voice. So now, let's want you to start from here. Spare me. I'll click on I'll put my cursor there and click on that, and I'll click on play.
Spare me, begged the poor mouse. Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you. The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let the mouse go.
So you guys, now you can see Mark's voice, Zaira voice, and David voice. So now, you guys in the comment section, let me know the voice you prefer, David, Microsoft David, or Microsoft Zaira, or Microsoft Mark. And I want thinking about the read aloud is that, let's say I want to read a particular word. Let's say there's a word that I want to learn how to pronounce just the word. Like you can see right here, generous. I'll just highlight generous. I'll highlight that. No, I'm going for generous, and I'll highlight that and click on play.
Generous and finally let.
So now, guys, you can see that. But let's say I want you to say only beg, or highlight beg and click on play.
Begged the poor.
So now, guys, you can see that selected beg. It came as there from beg. So now you can see that you can simply read-aloud with Microsoft Word. And now, one more thing is that as I'm reading aloud, I can still pass forward and back forward. If right now I click on play, well, first of all, I think I'm using Mac's voice here. I click on play.
Tiny creature to kill her. Spare me.
So
Beg.
now, as I'm playing it, I can pass forward it. I can forward that and I can back forward that by using previous or next. So now, let me play that and forward that.
The poor mouse. The lion was much. Some days later, you laughed when I said I would
So
read.
guys, I think the forwarding, the pass forwarding, I think it forwards by each paragraph. I think if I'm at A and I click read and I pass forward it, I think it'll jump to the next paragraph and continue with it. So let's try that.
A lion lay asleep. Spare me.
You can see that from here it came out to the next paragraph.
Begged the poor mouse. The lion was
the next paragraph, and now it come here to the next paragraph. Let's try that.
much amused to think that some days later.
So now if I click play and go to the next paragraph.
You laughed when I said I would.
So guys, now I can see that it's simply easy to pass forward, but now. So now, since passwording goes to a jump by each paragraph and go forward, then that means backwarding will go by each paragraph and go backward. So now I'm in the last paragraph, and now I think that if I click backward, it should take me to this paragraph right here. So now let's try that. I'm in the last paragraph right here. So now I'll put my cursor right here and click play and back forward that.
You laughed when I said I would. You laughed when I said I would.
So guys, you can see it, but it didn't go to the next paragraph. So guys, it looks like back forwarding and pass forwarding don't go at the same place. But let me also try that again.
The lion was much amused to think that the lion was.
Okay, so guys, it's like the back forwarding goes to the beginning of the sentence. Right here, you can see a full stop. So now, if right now I go put my cursor here and I click play, I think that it goes to the beginning of the sentence to sum right here. Let's try that. So now you can see a full stop. I think the backwarding goes to the beginning of the sentence. Let's try that.
His angry roaring. Some days later.
You can see that it goes to the beginning of the sentence, but for pass forwarding, it goes to the beginning of the next paragraph. So guys, as I said in the comment section, let me know the voice that you prefer. If it's Mac's voice, Zara's voice, or David's voice. As for me, I prefer Microsoft Mac. So guys, this story of the lion and the mouse, let's just read it and then listen to it with the read aloud in Microsoft Word. So now I'll start the story.
A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose. Roused from his nap, the lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. Spare me, begged the poor mouse. Please let me go and someday I will surely repay you. The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, while stalking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught in the toils of a hunter's net. Unable to free himself, he filled the forest with his angry roaring. The mouse knew the voice and quickly found the lion struggling in the net. Running to one of the great ropes that bound him, she knotted until it parted, and soon the lion was free. You laughed when I said I would repay you, said the mouse. Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion.
So guys, now you can see that you can read aloud, and it's a very interesting story, and it can be a bedtime story. So now you can see that I just read aloud with Mac voice. So guys, I prefer Mac voice, Microsoft Mac, and now this is pretty good story. So now, if now I'm reading aloud, I can simply cancel that with the cancel button right here. So I click it, you see that it will appear yes, a dialog box, two box.
Asleep in the forest.
So guys, you can see it, and alright guys, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, and thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please guys also subscribe. So when you subscribe, support me, and then you still help me run my YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe. Alright guys, and next class for today. Bye, and hope to see you next time.